Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, after running the Flutter upgrade, I faced a problem and my project is not running anymore on the Android devices and iOS devices anymore, and I faced this error on Android. First, we're going to fix the problem on Android, and then I'm going to fix the problem on iOS device. It's very easy, and it's not going to be a long video. It's going to be a short video. Just to clarify the question, today I run Flutter upgrade. And my Flutter version upgraded to the latest version. As well as that, I updated the Xcode to the latest version, which is 16. Today is 24th of September 2024. I did that and I faced these errors on Android and iOS. Both of them is not working anymore. First, let's go and fix on Android. I already opened a question on Android. It's the iOS one, and I already opened the question on Android. After running Flutter upgrade, my project is not working on iOS and Android, which I'm going to answer. I'm going to put the link to the Stack Overflow at the description. Now let's get to the solution. For Android, you need to first run a command. First, run Flutter clean and Flutter pop get, just to make sure everything's as smooth and okay. Then you need to run this command. First, make sure to run Flutter upgrade to upgrade to the latest version of Flutter. Then you need to run this command, Flutter pop upgrade -- major version. This will upgrade all the packages. I'm sorry, I'm working on this project. Working all the packages which are in the native Android or iOS to their major versions. After running this command, it takes some time. Yeah, everything's upgraded to their perfect versions. And now the problem is solved on iOS. Believe me, the problem after running this command is going to fix on iOS, but we're going to have some problems with the Android and we're going to face these errors. The iOS is fixed now, so everything looks good. Just Flutter clean and Flutter pop get is nothing out there. Now we're going to fix the Android. Get to the Android folder, then get to the Gradle part, Gradle folder, and then click on Gradle wrapper.properties. Over here, you need to address to the latest version, which I do have that right over here. As you can see, if you're watching this video and if the video is not very old, this version is going to be fine. If the video, if you're watching it in 2025, make sure to give it a check to the latest version. Just give it a save. As you updated this line, then you need to update, you need to get to the settings.gradle. You need to update these two lines as well. One of them is Kotlin and one of them is the Android version, not Android version, I'm sorry, the Android.application version, which the latest version I do have them as well over here. I give them check Kotlin on the Kotlin website and that one in the Stack Overflow. Yeah, as I deleted something, yeah. I changed it, and as you can see, you can write them down. Nothing is different, just this version is changed. This one is 8.5 and this one is 2.0.20. Over here, everything looks good. One more thing is the NDK. You need to get to the Android app Gradle, and over here at the Android part below the compile SDK, we need to change this and put it manually. Otherwise, the app on Android is not going to work. over here, and this version is the one that I'm going to use, and it's gonna work fine, completely fine. You can give it a check, just search on the internet NDK latest version or whatsoever, find the version that is going to work with your projects. And after this, just simply just to make sure, Flutter clean the cache in our Flutter, and Flutter pop. Good. You can run these commands separately, but I will like by and it means that first run this command and then run this command. Guys, this solution is going to be fix all the problems that you have. And one more thing, that if you're using this package to change the icons of your application, this package Flutter Launcher icons, it's not going to work anymore like this in the new version of Android. It's if you use this like this, you're going to face a problem, and as you install the application on your device, there's not going to be any icon out there, or it's going to be black. And to fix that, you need to add more things out there. I fixed the problem over here, and I need to change it to this. Just pause the video and take a look at that. This one is the exact one to our path, and it's like this. 21 is also okay, not below 21, by the way. Now I'm going to run simply Flutter run. As you can see, I'm going to give it a test on Android. It can take some time, and I also going to put a link to the Stack Overflow answers. I'm going to put the answers out there with detailed information, and make sure to subscribe, like, because I'm going to share every problem that I'm going to face in my Flutter journey app development. Hope you enjoyed this video, and as you can see, ignore these errors. These are not important ones, and the application is going to get built, trust me. I'm going to run the application on iOS, so let me boot up my iOS. It's iPhone 16. Yesterday I updated my Mac and everything. As you can see, the Android is working completely fine. The APK is built completely fine, and it's installing in my device. Now I'm going to run the application on iPhone 16. I'm going to I'm sorry for that, I need to run the main file. Yeah, it's running on the iOS over here. It's the Android one, which is now is running in my Samsung. Yeah, it compiled and everything is fine with Android. As you can see, everything looks good. Anyway. And for the iOS, as you can see, it's building, by the way. We need to wait. It's gonna work, I'm sure, but I just wanted to show you guys. The video length is going to be long, but it's because of... I'm going to stop it over here. Okay guys, it's gonna work on iOS. I'm gonna wait, but the build can take some time. Meanwhile, I hope you make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to bring some valuable lessons over here. I hope this solution worked for you. Guys, the app is working fine and it's completely running, as you can see, without any error. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.